Hi guys, welcome into our weekly live stream as always at 6 p.m. London. Today I will share some good news for everyone. So if you guys remember the last, not the last, but the next day after I came back to San Francisco, I was pitching at one of the events, and this pitch gave us some results that I want to share with you today. So first of all, one of the investors in the board of the people that were sitting and listening to all the pitches was the head of XT.com, which is one of the largest exchanges in Asia. And we've had a pretty long conversation with the team from XT.com after the pitch. And I can now say that we are joining their ecosystem, and the exchange itself will be helping us in promotion and many other things. And once we are ready to get listed on exchanges, they will be one of the exchanges that we will most likely get listed on. This is not a guarantee yet that we're going with them first or only, but most likely we're going to get listed on their exchange as well. And they're going to be helping in many, many other ways. Another thing that happened also because of that same pitch event, there was a fund that actually organized this event for pitching, and they're called One Piece Labs. It's a big investment fund that is helping and getting into Web3 space, and they are investing in different Web3 projects out there. And we've had a conversation with them. Also, it was actually yesterday they scheduled a call with us to go over the pitch of Grand Time, the IT of Grand Time, and everything, our tokenomics and stuff, and we explained everything, answered all the questions, and what they offered us is they offered us to join their incubation program, where they will be connecting us with different local VCs in the Bay Area. And also, one of the great things is that they said that once we find a lead investor, the investor that will be leading the round, a big fund, they want to get in the round as well. And their check sizes are somewhere between 300 and 500,000. And once we find the lead, they want to join the round and invest as well. I had before that, I've had companies and funds offering to get in the round just like they did, but I didn't know what those funds are. I didn't know much about them, but this particular company and fund, I do know they have a larger fund that's called Up Honest Capital. And the other one is the smaller one. It's called One Piece Labs. That's the kind of like another part of that same fund that's only focusing on Web3. So those are the good news that have happened for the past couple of days. And obviously, we're not stopping. We're working towards finding the lead right now, and we'll be opening our round very soon. So these are the news that I wanted to share with the community today. If we have any questions, I am ready to answer them. So please go ahead and ask questions if we have any, Olga.
Yeah, we have some questions in the chat. And the first question is from Crypto Professor. When will the Grant app be ready?
The Grant app is same process as I answered this question on the previous live, about a month or so. Getting through the final touches right now, and once that's ready, that will be published everywhere, and you guys will be able to also download this app through any device, whether it's an Android or iPhone. It will be ready for both stores, and will be live very, very soon. I'll keep everybody updated on that. Thank you for the question.
Thank you. Thank you, Rafael. And the next question comes from Habib Abubakar. Hi, Rafael. Welcome. Uh, Sorry. Hi, Rafael. Welcome. How do you see grant time in the nearest future? Do you think we can be like the Bitcoin blockchain?
Well, I can definitely see that in the near future, and by saying near future, I don't mean a week or a month. For me, the longer the project exists, the stronger it is. And for the nearest future, at least for the next year, I am projecting a significant amount of newcomers adding to the platform and significant amount of companies ordering tasks, and this platform becoming a big crowdsourcing marketplace that's not only a crowdsourcing marketplace but also a I would say kind of like a social media where people meet new people, talk about crypto, like-minded people from all over the world, and the community grows. Also, by implementing all the things that we were talking about, like exchanges to gift cards, exchanges of to fiat in the pool, different partnerships with banking systems, and letting people uh, get paid for the time and tasks that they do in either currencies of their own countries or other cryptocurrencies they will be able to swap inside of the pool. There are a lot of goals, and from the past experience, I would say that all the goals that we're setting, we're getting them done. Sometimes it takes longer than expected. Sometimes there are more difficulties than we could think of, but at the same time, we are going forward and we're growing, and all the results are showing them that venture capitals are looking at us, that our community is still growing, even though we are postponing the process of the exchanges and stuff, and many more things. The most important thing that I'm focusing on, that I am putting a lot of time to, is the community growth and what kind of community we're growing. We're not just growing the community of people that are waiting for the token only to go up in price. We are growing the community of people that are believing and that are working to do something in order to succeed. And for I would say next year, I would say that my target, my personal goal is that we are going to reach by the end of next year, that we're going to reach at least 100,000 users, and growing up revenues would be something that I can't predict and can't really talk about, but the revenues are going to go up, and people are going to be actual start earning actual fiat, or will be able to swap our coins to other perks on different platforms. Thank you for the question.
Thank you. Thank you. And sorry. Sorry, some problem. Yeah, the next question comes from Nikolai Borisov. Rafael, what are the social consequences of the massive introduction of artificial intelligence technologies?
What are the first part was social experiment? I didn't hear.
Consequences.
Oh, well, from all the companies that we're talking to, I would say that we're today, right now, we're not only talking to AI companies, but we're also talking to other industries. And I never covered this question, but I will today. So the industries that we're talking to right now are AI and ML, our marketing, our insurance industry, and automotive industry. And we're trying to see where is the best fit for us to do tasks to help companies to grow and develop. And what I can say that as of today, by today, the best results have shown the marketing industry, and in a certain way, where if you guys remember the task that we were doing by finding social media accounts on Instagram, And this was a task from a marketing company. And right now, today, right after the live stream, I will be talking to one of the admins about the new task that will be coming in. And it's also related to marketing. And we're going to be finding different contact information of different businesses in different cities. I will obviously let everybody know about what this task is about and how to get it done and everything. To earn tokens, the rewards are going to be good as well, and there will be less limitations on performing the actual task. So why I'm saying all this is because from all the industries that we're testing by today, the best results have shown from marketing. And right now I will be kind of slightly switching from AI and ML to marketing just to raise up the revenue a little bit and have some more tasks for us to do, because the more tasks we do, the more orders we get, and also the more, the more of that happens, the faster we can get to the point where we can put money in the pool, okay, before even the investment comes in. So this is, I think this would be the best answer to this question, and I'm pretty confident that once we help a couple of bigger companies on those research tests, we're going to get a lot more of them, and at a certain point, we are going to also, start working with corporations. Once we work with corporations, that's a totally different story, because usually corporate companies are signing contracts for certain periods of time. It's not a one-time task. It's a task that usually gets done on a weekly basis or monthly basis, on yearly basis, on a longer period of time. So this is what I am targeting right now, and I think that we are going to be focusing on marketing industry first, and then also obviously not stopping to talk to AI industry as well and different companies and seeing how we can be helpful there. But in terms of tech preparation and actual details of AI systems and like labeling tasks and stuff, we might not be ready yet because of different reasons. That's why it's not, that's why we're not selling them. But in marketing, it seems very easy, and it seems like there is a lot of demand on market in this industry. So right after this call, like I said, I will be talking to the admin about the next task, and we are going to publish this task soon. Please look out for it and do as much as you can, because the rewards are going to be good, and there is less limitations on how many tasks to perform per user. So this is what I wanted to share with you guys today. I want to thank everyone for joining. Thank you, Olga and Lena, for the live stream. And I will see you guys, as always, at 6 p.m. London on Friday. And please, my admins, do not forget about tomorrow's meeting. I have some things to discuss and to go over. And I will see you guys all on Thursday, which is tomorrow, and on Friday at the live stream. Thank you all, and have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Rafael. Bye bye.